Once upon a time, we walked through the dark, not knowing where the path would lead. Every step carried fear. Every breath tasted like smoke and loss. Until he arrives, and the darkness began to fall. A great war hero arrives, but no one knows where he comes from. Only that he wields powers beyond human.
This video created by Higgsfield Cinema Studio. Let's see how it is work.
I just discovered Higgsfield AI, and it's something truly exciting. Just go to Higgsfield AI or use the link in my description. There, you'll find a website like this. They offer really cool AI features at an affordable price. Just go to the Cinema Studio, see how it's pure magic. These clips were created by me earlier. What do you love to bring to life with AI? Higgsfield AI is the best place to make it happen. Whether it's a powerful superhero, a cinematic scene, or a creative idea from your imagination, everything feels easy and accessible. With simple tools and advanced AI, you can turn your vision into stunning visuals in just a few steps. Creating something amazing has never been this simple. Though here, we can see image and video options, and also the image generation option. When we create an image, we can select the camera and lens to improve the quality and make it perfect for the scene we want to create. When we change the camera and lens settings, we can get completely different images using the same prompt. This means from just one idea, we can create many unique looks and styles. It's really fun to experiment and see how small changes can totally transform the image. You can play around with angles, zoom, and lens types to make your scene look exactly how you imagine it. It gives you full control over your creative vision. Okay, now let's create something new and epic. We're going for a cinematic scene that really wows. With Higgsfield AI, we can turn our ideas into stunning visuals, full of action, light, and movement. Every detail, from the camera angle to the lens, can be adjusted to make the scene look amazing. It's time to bring our imagination to life and make something truly unforgettable. Here's the image I created, and honestly, it looks amazing. I'm really impressed with how all the details turned out. The colors, the lighting, and the composition are just perfect. It feels exactly like what I imagined in my mind. To bring this image to life, just click the video icon. Then select the start frame for your image. You don't even need to download anything, so you can choose it straight from the generated list. It's super easy and fast to get started. Then we can change other settings like video duration, sounds, and camera movement. When creating a cinematic video, you don't need to write a long prompt. Just add your simple prompt here, and your image will get animated automatically. It's really easy to make your scenes come alive. Here's my video, and it's ready now. It has a really good cinematic look. I'm impressed with how it turned out. The animation, the movement, everything feels so real. It's amazing to see the image come to life like this. I really love this next feature here. With Higgsfield AI, we can create multiple shots from just a single image. That means you don't have to write a prompt for every shot anymore. It saves so much time and makes the whole process much easier. You can get different angles, camera movements, and cinematic looks, all from the same image. It's amazing how quickly you can turn one idea into a full cinematic sequence. This feature really opens up so many creative possibilities. So we can upscale these images up to 4K. Just select the image and click Upscale. If you're not happy with the results, you can create a multi-shot again to get even better images. It's super easy to make your visuals look sharp and cinematic. Now we can create cinematic videos with these clips. If you get an error because of the image size, you can resize your images with Nano Banana Pro. The best part? In Higgsfield, it's unlimited and completely free. This makes it super easy to prepare your images and turn them into amazing videos. I had a chance to get these cinematic clips using just a single prompt. It's amazing how one simple idea can turn into a full cinematic scene. Higgsfield AI makes it super easy and fast to create something that looks professional. Okay, now let's take a look at how it works, from start frame to end frame in a cinematic video. I use these two images, the first one as the start frame and the second one as the end frame. After selecting the two images, I added a simple prompt and also selected the time frame. This tells the AI how long the transition should be and helps create a smooth cinematic video. Let's check out the final result. I'm excited to see how it turned out. It's amazing to watch everything come together in a cinematic video. And when you add multiple images, you can create unbelievable videos with the Cinema Studio. It's amazing how the AI brings everything together into one cinematic scene. You can make full sequences that look like professional movies, all from just a few images. So this is my full video about Higgsfield Cinema Studio. I hope you enjoyed seeing how easy and fun it is to create cinematic images and videos with AI. If you're interested in getting a Higgsfield discount, just leave a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks so much for watching my video and following along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. I'll see you in the next one.